Guys, absolutely insane day. I think we all agree on that. Did fantastic. Could have retired, but didn't. So we're gonna try again tomorrow. Absolutely insane plays though. I mean, wow. Just watched China, or the Hang Seng Open here. Hong Kong looking good. Still has plenty to go to get to Liberation Day, you know, where they got slapped with tariffs. Insane day today. Obviously, for those of you who didn't trade with us, let's just quickly recap what it is that transpired. Opened here, started shorting here, these pops, flipped here since we hadn't, you know, usually I'm looking for this to just bear flag, but it was wedging. Sold my calls on this pop here. Yeah, this pop here. This came down, held the 9. And remember, live on voice, I was like, I'm gonna jump in again, which I did. Not that I had sold all, but I sold my 5/10s here. They tried to stop everybody out, and then obviously to the moon we went. I'm still in some 528s, okay, for tomorrow. JPM earnings on Friday. Still has this gap open. Now tomorrow, obviously, goes without saying, please protect your gains. We have all been trading this historic market. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, nobody's gotten blown up, and we've come away green every day. So let's keep it up, okay? Why did this happen today? This happened, in my opinion, because the bond market was about to blow up last night. Okay, we got this candle, posted that Japanese 30-year. So this maneuver had to happen. I'm pretty surprised that China has now, after hours, said that they are willing to negotiate and this and that. To resolve differences with the US through consultation and negotiation. But the price hasn't reacted positively, really. So they're either waiting or this was the move. Now, I do have a ghost candle that goes all the way down to the origin. I posted in the ghost candles so you can see the exact price. So what now? Well, people are going to be chasing tomorrow. Remember last CPI we popped and then we drilled all day. Okay, so let's get rid of this here quick. We popped off of the 200 area and the 2009 bottom trend line. Huge. It's been so volatile. It's usually what you do at tops, but this has been at bottoms. But I'm also treating this as a historic event. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's a really tight range tomorrow. CPI can move the price up or down. It's still a news driven market. Okay, long ways to go until you know, Liberation Day here. But right at your screen, this is what we need to pay attention to. Do they want to do the death cross or do they not? This is tight. So how will I approach the market? As I have been. It's a news driven market. You don't rip 500 points on the US 500 just like that. I mean, this is huge. And the campaign and the maneuvering and the you know, 12D chess going on here is insane. So again, don't try to be a hero. Just take this as if you're green in this market, as we have been, you're like trading on a high level, and the stock market is gonna be here after this whole thing, and you can use what you have learned beautifully. Now yesterday I showed you the targets. We hit them today, to my surprise. Now ES coming down here, I don't know what they're preparing and what they're cooking, but we'll see where we open. I am 95% cash, and the moves are crazy. Okay, but I did swing some in case they gap up to here, and then we fade tomorrow, or maybe they gap down and we go, but the ghost candle goes all the way down here. Why and when, who knows. Okay, the Namo, haven't even seen it yet. Big, but again, you rip it from what was it yesterday, 32 or 37 to 49. I mean, it's quite the move. Still has room to go a little bit though, and it would suck if we just give this move back out of the gate. So again, we have our levels. Those of you who pay attention and dot them down know, but in case you don't, upside 549. If we can get through it, it's staring you right in the face, which is this half moon right there, and then obviously Liberation Day, get out of Dodge. Okay, because then it's time. Look, you don't rip 85 bucks on Meta and then buy calls the next day if there's not a data move or news. They could go sideways for months here because these contracts are wild. But anyways, we're doing really good. Everybody's doing really well. We also had Wednesday as a possible trend change because Friday worked, but I feel like it was down to that was Monday. But we also had Wednesday, and we'll see. I don't see why these couldn't run now. We got full moon, we got Michigan, we got CPI. The news seems to be positive. A lot of people are going to be chasing here, but I mean, these candles are absolutely wild. But let's say these candles aren't the size that, you know, they are right now. Can this go higher? Yes, in my opinion, it can go higher. Am I stoked about it? No, not really, because it's sketchy, but Stowe says higher, possible price index action, MACD, everything says we can go. So pick your spots. I'll be playing it, obviously. But again, news-driven market is news-driven market. This is historic here. As far as the VIX, that was some crazy shit today. 35 down, but still holding the daily 9. This could be merely a retest. If this is a 5-minute chart candle and it holds here, you'd get into calls. So again, news driven can defy all the technicalities. All right, and it's unpredictable. As far as SPY, not a lot of resistance here, obviously, because we came down fast too. But this thing is all over the place, lots of calls. I mean, we took out the gamma range hard. All these instruments are wondering what on earth is going on. But let's just check tomorrow's gigs what it has for us. It says above here, you can see you can get crazy, so can also pull to the downside. And would $20 down make a difference at this point in time? No, not really. So again, guys, you know the stuff we trade, be careful, and we will ride again tomorrow at dawn. God bless.